Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the beauty and grooming products that truly make a difference. Today, I have something for those of you who value a fresh and hygienic shaving experience, whether you're just starting or already a seasoned grooming pro. We're diving into the Braun Clean & Renew Refill Cartridges CCR, designed specifically for the Clean&Charge cleaning system. These refill cartridges come in a pack of 10, and their purpose is to clean, lubricate, and deodorize your shaver, ensuring a high-performance shave every time. Whether you use a Braun shaver daily or a few times a week, the cleaner solution is a must for keeping everything in top shape. The key feature of this product is its alcohol-based formula, which not only cleans but helps maintain hygiene. Shavers accumulate oils, dirt, and dead skin cells with every use, which means keeping your shaver clean is essential. This solution targets that issue with high-energy lubricants that also keep the blades in optimal working condition. It's a win-win for anyone who cares about hygiene and performance. What's also impressive about these cartridges is the lemon fresh scent that's released when cleaning. It's not just about getting your shaver clean, it's about enjoying the experience with that refreshing, crisp fragrance. Now, let's get into real-world use. I didn't just pop one of these into my cleaning system and call it a day. I actually gave it a go over several weeks to see how it performed. The cleaning process itself is quick and easy. Just drop in the cartridge, run the Clean&Charge unit, and your shaver comes out looking and feeling brand new. The added bonus? The lubricants really do enhance the glide of the razor, ensuring a smoother shave every time. If you're someone who shaves regularly, you'll appreciate this extra step to prolong the life of your shaver. However, let's talk about the pros and cons. First, the pros. The lemon scent is definitely a standout, super refreshing without being overpowering. The product is also highly effective at both cleaning and lubricating. You're not just sanitizing your shaver, you're maintaining its performance, which extends its lifespan. On top of that, it's very easy to use. Just pop in the cartridge and let the machine do its thing. Plus, it's compatible with all Braun Clean & Charge units, which is a huge plus for anyone with a Braun shaver. But of course, there are a couple of cons. The biggest one is that the cartridges need to be replaced every 2 months. This isn't a one-time purchase, it's an ongoing investment. If you're not looking to keep replacing the cartridges regularly, this might not be ideal. Another consideration is the cost. While not exorbitant, it adds up over time, especially if you're using the system on a daily basis. When it comes to value for money, you're definitely getting what you pay for. The product is effective and it does what it's supposed to, cleaning and lubricating. For the price, it seems fair given the performance boost you get for your shaver. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are some generic shaver cleaning solutions, but they often don't have the same specialized ingredients and lubrication that Braun offers. Comparing this to similar products, I've found that while some alternatives may offer a lower price, they often lack the high-energy lubricants or the fresh scent. So, while the Braun refill cartridges may be priced a little higher than other options, you're paying for a superior cleaning solution that keeps your shaver in prime condition. As for build quality and longevity, these cartridges are well made, and I've noticed that they don't leak or spill when stored properly. Braun is known for quality, and these cartridges live up to that reputation. The longevity of the cleaning solution is solid too. Each cartridge lasts for about a month or two, depending on how frequently you use your shaver. Customer support for Braun is generally highly rated, with the brand known for being responsive. Though I didn't need to reach out to them, I've heard good things about their customer service for resolving any issues that arise. In terms of alternatives, if you don't mind a bit of extra maintenance and are willing to spend a little more, I'd say stick with the Braun solution. But if you're on a tight budget and don't mind a little compromise on the scent and lubrication quality, there are certainly other cleaning solutions out there. Just be sure to look for one that's designed to maintain the performance of your shaver in the long run. To wrap things up, the Braun Clean & Renew refill cartridges do exactly what they promise. They clean, lubricate, and deodorize your shaver, ensuring that it works just like new every time you use it. While the regular cost of replacing the cartridges may add up, you can't argue with the effectiveness of this product. For anyone who values hygiene, smooth performance, and ease of use, this is a solid choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.